like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey MB crew, we're gonna jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from UniceHair, and this is their UNiceHair hair inner buckle straight lace front wig. It's a 13 by 4. So this is what the unit looks like, you guys. I did get it in 18 inches, and it is supposed to be a buckle cut, so like more like a butterfly cut where it falls in your face. But I decided to go ahead and wand curl it so I could have some beautiful waves, because I feel like that would frame my face a lot better than it just being straight. Only product that I'm using on the hair is just Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray so that the curls will hold, because this hair is of a silkier texture. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the unit. Now that I'm done curling, I sprayed some lace tinting spray on my wig cap, and then I'm just going to go ahead and spray some inside of the lace as well. The lace comes in a medium brown color, but the lace is really thin, so I like that, you guys. It does come semi pre-plucked, which is nice. It doesn't come with baby hair, so you have to create your own, but I left my hairline out because I have a low hairline, so I'm just going to work with my own baby hairs. So I'm just pinning it out the way, and I'm positioning it on my hair how I want it to be. I'm going to add some Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, but not too much. You can apply this unit glueless, but my head is a little bit small, so I do got to kind of tack it down. And I'm using this Unice Edgy Wrap, which I love these. That on for about 10 minutes, and as you guys can see, it is melted in pretty nicely. So I'm just combing the wig hair out of the way of the hairline so I can see where I might need to add a little bit more spray. So I just added a little bit more, but not too much. I put my edgy wrap on for another 10 minutes, and I'm just going to brush the hair back again. And now I'm just going to go ahead and work on my edges. Y'all know I have a low hairline, so my edges like to stick out of my lace, and I don't like to put my wig down all the way on my forehead. So I'm just using some Eco Styler gel to lay down my baby hairs, and that works well for me. You can create some baby hairs with this unit if you would like. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some of this slick stick, and I'm going to apply that on the hairline just so that I can move these hairs out of the way. Alright, so I did put my edgy wrap back on, and now I'm just going to go ahead and touch up the hairline, because I want the hair going, you know, to fall in my face a certain way. So I'm going to flat iron the front going back so it'll fall in my face nicely, so to have like those two little bumps. And then I'm just going to go back in with my wand curler and touch up a few pieces. So when I was doing my makeup, I did apply foundation with my brush like this to the lace. Just wanted to show you guys that. I'm going to add a little bit more of the slick stick to help with the flyaways, so that the hair is like not flying all over. But this hair is so pretty, you guys. It looks so bomb, like curl. Look at the luster, look at the waves. Like, yes, loving it, loving it, loving it. And look at the hairline. Okay, it's giving so in. And I'm just showing it to you guys from a few different angles. And believe it or not, this hair is not as flyaway. That's why I usually don't like straight hair, because it flies away too much. But this hair is actually really nice. I think it's because of the length too, and the way that it is cut. But I like how it actually frames my face, and it does come in the middle part. And I actually like it with the middle part with the curls. Now, if it was straight, I probably would go for a side part. But yeah, I really do like the middle part with the curls. And the scalp, it looks good. The lace looks good. Yes. Hey, MB crew, I'm gonna be here. So we have now made it to the end of the video. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into the deets of the unit that I am rocking today. This unit is from UniceSairstyles. This is their AliExpress store. And of course, I had to go ahead and check it out. You guys, I haven't reviewed a unit from AliExpress in a very long time. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. So this is UniceHair Inner Buckle Lace Front Unit. It is a straight unit, and it is a 13 by 4, as you guys can see. It is a layered unit, and I got mine in 18 inches. So it's supposed to give like that butterfly cut effect. But I went ahead and curled it because I feel like it would look a lot better because this hair is really silky. So it's kind of like, it doesn't really fall in my face on me the right way how I want it to, but I feel like it looks really good with the curls. So I went ahead and did wand curls on it, as you guys saw, so they would give me these pretty waves. But I do like the layer effect in the front. It is like shorter, you know, it has shorter pieces here around the face, and then it comes down longer, and I really do like that. So this is human hair, Remy hair, and this is an average cap size, you guys. I'm not sure of the density of this hair, but if I have to guess, I'm gonna go with like 150, maybe even 130. It's not the fullest unit, but I actually really do like that about it because it was really easy for me to work with. It was really easy for me to curl because of that, and I feel like that's why I got this beautiful look. I feel like this is like a realistic density. Like if you were like to get a sew-in, I feel like this is definitely giving me sew-in vibes. I love the luster on this hair. It's really lightweight on my head. It does come with a semi-plucked hairline, and the lace did come in a medium brown color, but of course I went ahead and sprayed it with my lace tinting spray. But it gave me a really natural feel, and I really love that. I left my baby hairs out. Y'all know I have a low hairline, so I decided to go ahead and leave my side baby hairs out, which gave it a more realistic look. I didn't do any baby hairs on the actual unit. These are my real baby hairs, but the unit does fit me really nice for it to be an average cap. The hair is super soft, you guys. The hair has a nice luster on it. The hair is healthy. The ends aren't like thin or straggly, so I really like that. So I was like, okay, AliExpress, UniceAliexpress, y'all did that. Like, they came through with this unit. This unit is really bomb, you guys. If you need like an everyday straight wig or something that you could throw on when you like work at the office, you can apply this unit glueless. I did use a little bit of Got To Be Glue freeze spray, but it's not that tacked down on my head, and as you guys can see, it's on my head pretty well. It's on, but yeah, it looks good. I totally forgot to put the concealer in my part, but it is what it is. I literally forgot, but I still feel like it looks really good. It holds a curl pretty well for this hair to be as silky as it is, and I feel like this is a perfect length for me. I did get a little strands of hair, but honestly, you guys, this hair doesn't give a lot of shedding at all. Like, this is probably the most minimum shedding I've had on a wig in a while, so this is definitely a plus. So I'm really loving this unit, you guys. I don't have any complaints, but I feel like it looks like a sew-in. Like, if I was to go and get my hair sewed in, I feel like that's what it's giving. Like, let me sit up so y'all can see. I feel like it's definitely giving sew-in vibes. Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the length. It just looks really bomb. I really do like this unit, y'all. Like, this is such a cute unit. The only complaint that I do have is like some of these shorter pieces. Like, it does have a bit of flyaways, so that would be my only complaint. But other than that, I love this unit, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a B. Only because of the flyaways. Like, I gotta tame these flyaways because I had to spray like a lot of freeze spray because it is some like shorter pieces here. And I think that might just be due to it being layered cut. That may be what it is. Make sure you guys check out UniceAliexpress. Everything about them will be in the description box below. My coupon code and to use on their site will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.